Hey, how's it going? I want to make a video on how to place the brake lights in this lower part of your Civics there. You got some brake lights up here. You just go in through here, and that's a different video. But anyways, we're focusing on this one right here. So the way this works is usually it looks like this here, where it's covered up, and it's going to have these what's left of these pop rivets holding the carpet there. So you get yourself like an upholstery tool, and you pop those off. Unfortunately, being as old as it is, it's most likely going to snap. And that's what happened to these. So I'll try to find a replacement push button for these and get a link to that. Anyways, once you've got that ripped off or popped out, you can just pull back the carpet like they got it here, or I have it here. In fact, I'll just show you. Oh, I got that one out already too. Anyway, so you just pull back the carpet, and then these are just twisted in here. Let's see, I'll put it in. So they're just normally in there. You just kind of twist them left to right. I can't remember. They just have little tabs. You just twist it. It'll just give a little bit, and then it'll come out. And then to change the light bulb, take the bad one, and you just pop it straight out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Here, I'll show you there. Once you pop it out, you just pull it. Need two hands to do it. And then you have your socket here. Now when you get your light bulbs, look at your old one. Oh shoot, I don't have my old one. It's going to be a 7443. And what that means is there's a lot of questions. People go, well, what's the difference between a 7443 and a 7440? These have two elements in it. So when you turn on your lights, it'll light up one, and when you step on your brake, it'll light up the other one to be brighter. So it's probably not showing up, but just look up the pictures on the internet. It's got two elements inside there. And also you want to look at the base, and you'll see it's a wedge shape, and it'll fit in there. And anyway, so all you do is you take it out of the package, plug it in there, and it should just go in one way, and then you just push the, when you place it back in. Here, let me put one in there. Hold on, and get a little better shot. I don't know if it shows up in the light better or not. See, it's got two elements in it, and it's just got some wires on the bottom. And the way they're designed, as long as your clip's normal, it shouldn't matter which way it goes in. So you just take that there and put it in there. I can't do this with one hand. Anyways, you just push this in there and slide it in. There you go, with the magic of the camera. I used two hands, pushed it in. And then you just, actually what you want to do at this point is turn on like your lights and make sure they work, and maybe if you have a partner with you, step on the brake, make sure it works before you go buttoning it all up and together. But I don't have anybody to work with me, so I'm just going to take this, put it in here, and I can't really see what I'm doing from this angle. Just don't force anything. Let me look at the symmetry of this, and I won't wait you to watch me fight it, and I'll figure out how it goes. It looks like there's see, it's a triangle shape, small tab, kind of a large one, and the factory marked it right there for some reason. So I'll use, see how this has got missing a piece there, and this has got a piece here, so I'll use that, and let me figure out how that goes in. Okay, when I get in the trunk, you can see it better. See on the top, the next to that nut up there, let's see here, right there, it's bigger, and then you got the two little ones. So just look at this. You should have a big one, two little ones. So it should just go in there. Again, I need two hands. Alright, there you go. So I just put that top one in, and then I turned it to the right, and that's how it should look. It look kind of like vertical. So the top was in there, and I turned it to the right. Oh, here's another way to, I don't know if this is always going to be like that, but the red lead is up top and the green ones on the bottom. That might help a little bit. Anyways, that's all there is to it. And then you just take your carpet, kind of put it back there. You can pick these, probably just a generic clip. It just needs to be a button style to hold that in. Get that back in there. Somebody ripped this one out already, so I'll clean all that up. But that's all there is to it, to changing those lights. And then, you know, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Anyways, I just hope that helps somebody out there. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And, if you subscribe, you'll see more videos as they come out. Thank you for watching.